So, ayun, good afternoon. And I am Nicole again. And welcome to our Hydraulics 101. So, last time, we already discussed and we already have a reflection about um, application, no? And introduction about robotics. So, for today's reflection, we will talk about hydraulic system on paano naman naintindihan or paano ko mismo naintindihan yung topic ng hydraulics. So, ayun, before I proceed, let me give you an outline on how I discuss my understanding about introduction, about hydraulics. So, first is introduction. I will discuss or briefly explain on what is hydraulics. Next is the principles. I will give two main principles na ginagamit in hydraulic system. Next is the components of hydraulics, no, kung ano-ano yung mga parts ng hydraulics. Next is advantages and its application to this field. Next is the maintenance and troubleshooting. Lastly, at the conclusion. So let's proceed, no? Start introduction. So sabi, what is hydraulics daw? So hydraulics is a field of engineering that involves the study of fluids in motion and use of pressurized fluids to generate, transmit, and control power. Actually, in hydraulic system, no, yung fluid na tinutukoy is typically oil or water. So, akala ko kasi before, oil lang siya, pero hindi ko alam na gumagana pala yung tubig dito. So, pero ayun, it is used to transmit power nga from one point to another. So, yun. Yung fluid is pressurized by a pump, no, para makapag-perform ng work sa mga mechanical works. So, ayun. Ano pa ba? So, before that, segue muna, disclaimer lang. Actually, before I presented this, no, I add some information and additional information para mas nai-stand ko pa yung discussion ko dito kasi ang hirap mag-explain kapag hindi masyado naiintindihan. So, ayun, nag-research ako, na-confuse ako, and na-curious ako sa mga definition ng hydraulics kung paano ito gumagana. So, ayun, inad ko siya dito para na-explain ko din yung idea. So, ayun lang. Next is, let's proceed sa principles ng hydraulics. So, meron tayo principle of continuity and Pascal. Actually, as far as I know, Pascal lang ang nakita ko, no, dun sa definition or sa link. Pero sana hindi. Pero ayun, so based on the definition of continuity, it states that the mass flow rate of a fluid must remain constant throughout the system as long as there's no leaks or additional fluids. This principle is crucial to the design of hydraulic systems as it ensures that the fluid will flow consistently throughout the system, regardless of changes in pipe size or shape. So, ayun, yung continuity is, hindi ko man sinasabi na hindi siya importante. Pero, ayun, naka-focus siya sa mass flow rate or yung daloy ng fluid. No? Sabi kasi, regardless daw kung gaano kalaki yung pipe size or yung shape, kung ano shape ng ng pipe mo. Kung ano lang yung inilabas mo na fluid dun sa pipe mo, yun lang yung, let's say na, yun lang yung gagana. Yun. Remain constant lang talaga siya. Next is, Pascal. So, ito yung actually ginagamit, no, sa ating system. Ano ba yung Pascal? So, the principle of Pascal states that the pressure applied to a fluid in a closed system will be transmitted equally throughout the entire system, including to any surfaces in contact with the fluid. This principle is important in hydraulic system as it follows pressure to be applied to a fluid in one location and transmitted to another location where it can be used to perform work. So, yun nga kaya ko nasabi na ito yung ginagamit nowadays na principle, yung Pascal, kasi yun, need niyang mag-adjust, no? Hindi naman sa need niya mag-adjust, dapat equally yung pressure man or fluid yung pumapasok sa pipe or sa container, dapat equally yung paggana niya para, alam mo yun, maayos yung pag-perform ng work ng hydraulics. Next, let's proceed to the components of hydraulics. Actually, hindi lang ako nailagay kasi hindi na siya kasya. Pero, ayun, I will tell it later para hindi siya kulang. First, yung pump, no? Pump is used to generate pressure by forcing fluid through the system. Next is reservoir, is a container that holds the hydraulic fluid. Next is yung valves. Valves are used to control the flow and pressure of the fluid. Yung actuators naman is used to convert the pressure of the fluid into mechanical work. Next is cylinders are used to convert the pressure of the fluid into linear motion. And the additional is cylinders are used to convert the pressure of the fluid. Hoses and fittings. Hoses are used to transport the fluid between the different components of the system, while they are connected to the various components of the system using fittings. Lastly, the filters are fluid. So actually, lahat ng mga components ng hydraulic system, this is the basic pala, rather, ng components of hydraulic system. Pero, depende na lang siya if, depende na lang siya if, kung anong klaseng system or kung ano yung requirements sa system na yun. Pero ito yung basic, no, na needed. Let's proceed, no? So, yung advantages ng hydraulic system. So, here are some advantages. So, meron tayong high power density, precise control, smooth operation, ability to handle high loads, versatility, and resistance to shock and vibration. So, ayun, hindi lang naman to yung, in-offer na advantages ng hydraulic system. Marami pa, depende nga sa klase ng machine na yon. So, ayun, dinisenyo, no, and inoptimize yung mga advantage na to help easily, no, na malesen yung mga workloads yon. Sabi nga kanina na, ayun, ability to handle high loads, no. So, ayun nga, sabi, from simple lifting and pushing to complex positions and such. So, yun, ganun ka, yung klase ng hydraulic system para matulungan yung mga may needed ng klase ng trabaho ganito. Next is, yun, proper maintenance and troubleshooting. Actually, nabahas talaga to, so ito talaga tinandaan ko din sa kanina. So, ayan, preventing wear and tear. Hydraulic systems contain several moving parts such as pumps, cylinders, and that can wear out over time. Next is reducing the risk of failure. A poorly maintained hydraulic system is at greater risk of failure, which can result in costly downtime, repairs, and replacements. Ensuring efficient operation. Ito pala. Ayun, tama. A hydraulic system that is not properly maintained can experience reduced efficiency and performance, which can result in increased energy consumption and decreased productivity. Next is maintaining safety. A hydraulic system that is not properly maintained can be a safety hazard. So next is, ayun na pala, 4 lang pala sila. So, ayun. Lastly, may conclusion or my understanding about hydraulics, no? Oh, hindi ko natanggal to, sorry. Sa kinuhaan kong template lang po pala ito, no, ng PowerPoint. Pero di yan kasali. Ayun, sabi, hydraulics, no, isa-summarize ko na lang, no, is a fundamental branch of engineering that plays a vital role in the design and operation of wide range of machines and systems. Its importance in engineering is underscored by its ability to provide high power density, precise control, smooth operation, versatility, and resistance to shock and vibration, making it a valuable tool for engineers across many industries. So, ayun, ano pa bang pwede natin idagdag dito sa aking Tanong lang ako sa notes. Ayun nga, yun naintindihan ko nga is, isa siyang fluid. Ay, hindi siya isang fluid. No. With the use of fluids nga to generate and transmit power. So, ayun, malaking tulong yung hydraulic system para ano, para makatulong siya sa mga mechanical works, no, na kinakailangan ng machineries, no. Kasi may, 'di ba, may mga sarili-sariling scope lang yung mga machineries natin na ito lang yung ano niya, limitations niya, ganito, ganyan. So, as additional dun sa benefits and advantages ng hydraulics para sa mga engineers. So, ayun, nakaka-perform siya kung maayos din yung pag-maintenance dun sa mga components ng hydraulics. So, ayun, do you have any questions ba? Send it to me and I will answer kung kaya kong sagutin. And thank you for listening. That's all. And have a good